All right, it is a sunny day in Canggu. We're off to the markets, Sunday markets, Canggu. Are you excited?
Stand in shade, yep.
Hope so. Canggu Sunday markets. Shopping. What do you want to buy?
I don't know.
I don't know because we don't know how good it is, but apparently it's pretty good, so I'm excited. I love a good market. Let's do it.
Flip-flops on in the villa driveway. Kids already fighting for the front seat. I'm checking maps, your hand on my shoulder. You laugh, say let's just see where this road leads. Scooters weave like silverfish around.
How much are the hair clips? How much are these?
For two?
Yeah.
150 like sir.
150?
Yes. This is already cheap one, yes sir. Morning price.
You can do better morning price, come on.
This is ready morning price. I do talk
Come
you
on,
300
man.
is
150, come on, man.
For two.
You can do 50,000 for two.
For 50,000 is late, but
Too little? Okay, well, we'll keep looking. We might come back later. We'll think about that 150.
100 yeah?
No. We'll think about the 150.
100 I give you like
You
sir.
put it back, baby. We'll come back later.
Yeah, 100.
No, that's okay. Thank you, man. You want these?
Yeah.
You want these ones?
I want the pink one.
Do you want these ones?
Yeah. I want the pink one.
Can you do 50,000?
100.
Come on, just do 50,000. Yeah, that's all right. Do you want two or one? Just one.
Ask
How much? How much these little keychains?
How many pieces?
Do you want one?
One, two.
One with a pink one?
190.
How much?
190.
Oh, 190.
Yeah.
Well, that's a bit too expensive.
How
bud.
much?
Bit too expensive.
How much for you? How much?
I'll give you 20,000.
Nothing, 20,000.
Too small?
70 lah.
How much?
70.
70.
Yeah.
Whoa. Yes.
Can we find Mama?
Yeah, we gotta find Mama. We gotta find Mama. Do you wanna? How much have you got, Abby? You wanna 70,000? We'll do 40,000. 40,000.
50 lah boss. Last price.
Come on.
Morning price.
40,000.
How much did you
Can I
pay
do that?
for them?
How much is it?
$5. You got fiver?
Yeah. What do you want?
50,000.
50,000.
Hearts wide, a little afraid. First time in Canggu, I don't know the rules. Sweat on my back, but I'm playing it cool. Sunburning holes through this old white
Okay.
tee, but I'm burning this into my memory. Don't know what's coming around.
How much are these ones, man?
300.
300. Oh, okay. 300. I don't want to pay 300. No.
Where's Mama?
How much?
Where's Mama's coming back soon?
How much?
Would you do? Can you come down? Can you come down a bit? How much would you go down? Come
How
down.
much last price?
You come down. Would you go 50,000 on these?
No, I think 50,000.
They're too small, too little. How much would you come down to?
200.
200.
Mama.
How much for one?
450.
Oh, 450. Whoa. Okay.
What size? XL?
Can you do
Yeah.
you do 100 or two for 150?
2 for 1.
150.
Low product.
Too low?
Above 400 for 2. 200 each.
I can go two for 150. That'd be good, wouldn't it?
Wow, look, this wash, brother. Not like this one, brother. Wash good material.
Okay.
350 lah, yeah, for 2.
350 for two.
Yeah. Okay. Alright.
No. Too expensive. Thank you.
You show me which one.
Ah, brown. You like
You like that one, or we'll keep looking?
one?
We come back.
Brown?
Yeah. We'll see what else is around
Yeah.
here, now, and then we'll come back. We know this man has the one that you want. All right. We keep looking. Yeah. We don't always just buy the first bag.
Come on, let's go to Sunday market.
I have white one also.
Oh, white as well. I like the white. The white's very pretty.
All right. First impressions. They really don't want to. They don't want to sell cheap. I was trying to get some Canggu washed shirts for $7 or $7.50, maybe even $8. They weren't budging. They're way more tight around here in Canggu Markets. And that was that little place just next to the Sunday market area. So that's interesting, seeing how much they would not budge. Let's see.
Can I give you a stamp, sir?
Sure, yeah, thank you.
Yes, thank you. You want a stamp?
Oh, you got a stamp.
Thank you. Entry, here we go.
Kids point out the tiny carved tigers. You're bargaining soft while the fans barely swing. Mango on a stick, juice down our fingers. You steal a bite and pretend you didn't steal. I buy a shirt a size too big. I say someday it'll fit how this moment feels. First time in Canggu.
This one, how much are these ones? How much? $5.50. Oh, okay. You like that one?
Around each bend, but I've got my people, my oldest friends. If getting lost is all we do, then I wanna get lost here with you. Later we'll forget the prices, we'll forget which stall sold what, but we'll remember sticky fingers and now the sandals almost cut.
Try them on, Dizzy. Try them on. Mummy put them on.
And I'm also gonna give you a pouch, so when you don't wear it, you have to put it inside a pouch.
That's
we
good.
get
Special little bag.
Mackies.
Barbie is in Bali.
Sun in our eyes, but we still can see every tiny thread in this new tapestry. Don't know what's coming around each bend. Wish this burning day would never end. If getting lost is all we do, then I wanna get lost here with you.
Very interesting place. Bit upmarket. Very upmarket compared to the rest of Bali. That's for sure. Hot as hell. Sweaty, muggy as hell. Yes. Absolute muggy as hell. Jewelry galore. Nice little food stands. I wouldn't mind trying a little bit of food. But it's like, man, I don't want to be in here much longer because of how bloody steamy it is.
Show me.
And the kids are kind of cracking it. What's the matter?
A little bit of water. Have a drink. Okay.
Yeah, it's very hot. But the kids have actually bought a few things, right? You bought some jewelry.
Yeah, we even bought, like, since I pulled my earrings out because they were too sore, I got fake earrings. So, like, they're little clip-on ones, but you can loosen them so then they're not too tight.
They clip on your
And I'm
earlobes.
going to trick my cousins into saying that I got my ears pierced, but they're actually fake.
Very cool. Whew. So steamy. Let's see how much these shirts are, eh? Trying to get out of there, get a drink, find a restaurant. My final thoughts on that little market down this little strip. Bit poshy. Very poshy. If I was 25-year-old, single, no kids, probably be really good. And if it was just me and Jade, then it'd probably be alright. But not good for a 5-year-old and a 8-year-old, that's for sure. I would not recommend that at all. Alright, we're going to find down there, you reckon? Alright, gelato and drinks. Whew. because too squishy. Too many people. The kids, the kids are just cracking it. Not a place for a 5 and 8 year old, that's for sure. That's the young crowd in there, all taking their little Instagram selfies. Yep, here we go. What do we got? Apple juice. We got Sprite, hopefully. Perfect. We got. Is there a juicy juice? Apple juice? Yes, there is. All right, we are going to chill out here for a bit. Maybe find another market. We'll see if the kids are complaining.
Out of a can.
But those are good ones. They're real good. It's exactly the same. Plastic bottle.
But it has to be the white Sprite.
It's the white Sprite. Yep. All right, we've got to check out Canggu Beach. Instantly we have a breeze. Thankfully, a breeze makes us feel alive again. Whew. Right on top of the waves. Wow, okay. Getting coral, I didn't expect that. We don't have to go on there, we don't have to. You're totally fine.